Hi Anu, how are you? Long time no see. So how are you?
Hello, Indro. I'm fine. What about you?
Yes, I am also well. Thank you for asking. And what's your study going?
My study is going well. How about yours?
Yeah, it's going well, and I have some examinations upcoming. So I am fully focused on my examinations.
Okay. So, all the best for your upcoming examinations. And how is your family? How are they?
Yeah, they are absolutely fine. And thank you for asking. What about yours?
They are absolutely fine. And
Great, great. Good to know. And so yeah, after a long time we have been meeting
yes,
virtually.
yes.
Hey Anu, do you know that knowing English is very much needed nowadays, especially for jobs, studies, even traveling? What is your opinion about that?
Yes, you're actually right, Indro. Good English skills open up so many opportunities, but the biggest challenge is speaking confidently. Many people understand English but hesitate to speak.
Yeah, that's true. That's the main problem we are facing, and some other people like who has no local language like English, so they find difficulty in speaking English. Yes, and exactly. Speaking English needs practice. And that's why I recently found an amazing application that is called Ace Fluency. And it is perfect for English learners. They can be beginners, they can be intermediates, even they can be advanced. But this application is the perfect one for everyone.
Oh, really? What's special about it?
And it offers one-on-one classes, group classes. Even you can speak or practice your English with experts and all over India. Plus, it lets you to talk with real people, with your real co-learners, so that you can compare with others, and also you can like they can't judge you. So there are a lot of options in this application. You can use it on a daily basis to improve your spoken English, to improve your daily practice, because practice makes perfect. We all know, right?
So that sounds great. So I can practice with other learners and also improve my fluency with advanced speakers.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
There's also an talk with advanced learners, which really helps you to improve your spoken English and to find your errors, what you are making mistakes. Then they can correct you easily, effortlessly. So there will be no judgment, and you can definitely learn spoken English, and you can definitely gain your dream job.
That's what I need. Speaking English with real people will surely help. So, where can I get this app?
Just check my description box. There is a link of downloading this application AceFluency. You can download it, and you can just need to register with your mobile number or email. Then you are good to go.
Thanks, Indro. I am downloading it right away. Time to boost up my English fluency. Thank you so much.
And you know, there is a special feature to talk with Bengali learners like us, because some local people like they don't usually speak English, so they can use it effortlessly, and they can practice their spoken English without any hesitation.
Wow, that's good to know. So I could expose my further learnings to different languages. So I'm going to right away download it. Thank you so much for this information.
Great, great. And that's the spirit. Let's practice together. The link is of the application is in the description. So those who are watching this video right now, you can download it from the description below. And I have provided the link in the description. Go and download it and practice your spoken English and get your dream job.